I got an Excel concept here I'm going to show. It's using the function called COUNTIF or COUNTIF. So basically what you're doing with this function is you're counting cells in a column. You could do it in a row, but in this case we're going to do it in a column. And you're going to count the cells that have a particular value in it, right? So it's a pretty straightforward function, but so you just find the location where you want this to be displayed. Let's say we want the count to be displayed right here in this cell, right? So I'm going to go to my auto sum area up here, or actually I'm on the home tab under editing. I'm going to drop down on auto sum here. I'm going to choose more functions. And then I'm going to look for COUNTIF. Once I see this, I'm going to double click on it. It's going to open this up here, this dialog box where I've got some arguments I need to enter in, right? So the range that I want to use for this function is, you can pick the range. So I'm going to click the up arrow here, and it's going to allow me to click the range. So I'm just going to click this range here. All right, good. Click this down arrow, and it'll go back. And then the criteria. So I want to find all the instances of del PC XX in this example. So I'm just going to go over here. I'm going to click one of those. Right? And I'm going to go back. And you'll see right here it actually tells us that it equals 6 of these. Right? So I'm going to OK this. It's going to enter that value in for that result of that COUNTIF statement here as a number for us. So what it basically did is it took this entire column of information and it counted the ones that I told it to count. You could do the reverse for the other. If say I want to do that again, right? Use that same range, but this time choose another criteria. Right, so there we know that there's 6 that are del PCXX and 12 that are just del PC. It's really just that simple. Alright, just for this tip and others, just let me know if you got any questions and send them to me. Thanks.